Hello global traders, today's video is all about our first ever paper trading competition, the Leap. Now the Leap is your chance to win $10,000 in cash in a risk-free contest. Now if you want to learn all about this competition, please stick around for this video because we're going to walk you through the trading process and then later on how to sign up, because most likely if you're here you just want to learn how to trade and potentially win this $10,000 first place prize. So the first thing that we're going to want to make sure about the Leap is that we are fully signed up, and that can happen on the Leap landing page. So this competition is called the Leap, and you can find that on TradingView.com. Under community it says the Leap. Go to this landing page, there's a big sign up button, and once you're in you will see all of this just as we are showing you right here before your eyes. Now we are connected to the Leap already. We've already clicked join. So our next step is heading to the trading panel. So we've shown you this now. Find the trading panel and open it. What you want to do next is ensure that you are connected to our paper trading account. As you can see, it says Brokerage Simulator by TradingView. That's because this is a place to practice your trading. There is no real money on the line. It is paper trading. Think of it like a video game. Now you click the paper trading account, click connect, and you are connected. You can now begin trading in the Leap because after all, it's a paper trading contest. And if you can become the best trader with the highest profit over 30 days, you could win that $10,000 cash prize. Okay, step 2, that is critically important, is to understand that you will have 2 accounts in your paper trading account. You will have your normal account. You see that here. It's just sort of the account that's at the top. It's your default account. But after you sign up for the Leap, you will have the Leap account. And you see this competition tag. It's really easy to identify. Always select the competition account. Remember, any trades not placed in the competition account will not be recorded in the contest. So this is essential. After you've signed up, after you've connected your paper trading account, ensure that you always have the competition account selected. You'll even see this competition tag here to remind you that you're connected as well. If you don't see this competition account, it means you potentially didn't sign up correctly or sign up on time. So ensure that you're signed up and that you see this competition account tag. Now we've got this account selected, and now we can start placing trades. So why don't we go ahead and place a trade right now? So right now we are looking at a chart of Bitcoin, BTC USD, and one of our first observations is that there is a very interesting pattern going on. Some might call this a bull flag, meaning there seems to be this upward trend heading up and to the right, and then it's got this consolidation heading across the chart, and it sort of creates this flag-like pattern. So we're going to trade this because we want to try to win the competition. Remember, this competition does take over 30 days. It takes about 30 days, so you might want to plan every trade with a long-term time frame. Now, for this video, we're going to place some pretty short-term trades. That's why I went to a 1-minute chart. We're really going to examine what we have here. And for our first trade, what we're going to do is essentially play Bitcoin as if it's heading back down to test the bottoms of this flag. So what we are going to do now is make sure we've got the perfect setup for us, and we're going to click the trade button. And now you can see here our order panel is live. Remember, in the competition, only specific symbols are eligible. So for example, if we do type in Apple here, so now here's Apple, you'll notice that the order panel is not active. In fact, it even says non-tradable symbol. That's because in the paper trading competition, only a few symbols are active, and that's to ensure that there are some rules in place, that everyone is sort of following the same fair boundaries across the same large symbols. You can trade gold, you can trade the euro, you can trade S&P 500, you can trade Bitcoin. The choice is yours, and you cannot place trades on any other symbols. So let's go ahead and head back to Bitcoin. So let's just make sure here we type this in correctly. You're going to want to do the same. Fact check that you're typing in your symbols accurately, that you have the correct exchange open. So as we mentioned, we are actually going to short this for our first trade. We're going to play these lows here. And so we have our order panel open. Let's sell. And for the sake of this video, why don't we sell? Let's do half a Bitcoin. How does that sound? So we're going to sell half a Bitcoin. We have sell selected, market order, 1/2, and let's go ahead and launch the trade. And the trade has been launched. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in the competition, and we are already down 12 cents. We probably are not that high up in the leaderboard, but our trade is active, and we are going to now attempt to trade our way to the top. And remember, we could have placed a limit order, we could have done buy, we could have done a market buy. The choice is yours. We're just showing you how this all works. And keep in mind, if you want a full walkthrough of the order panel on TradingView, there are tons of videos on our YouTube channel for you to check out. And we have a comprehensive help center that will also walk you through this. Now, one thing we do want to do, though, and this is a key new feature that has really come to the TradingView trading panel and to paper trading, is your ability to drag your take profit or stop loss to anywhere on the chart. So in this example, our stop loss, because it's a short, is going to be above our entry price. So our stop loss will be sort of the highs over here. So we dragged it to 51,686. Let's click modify, and it says order placed. Remember, this is just reminding you about the order placed. And let's do our take profit. We said we'll take it to the lows, so let's go down to 51,000 and do our take profit there. Click modify. And now our trade is placed. We've got brackets, and we are ready to rock and roll. Now, don't forget, we can place more than one trade. After all, this is a paper trading competition, and we can do some long-term trades and some short-term trades. So what we're going to go ahead and do next is let's go trade the Euro USD. And of course, what you must pay attention to is we are selecting the eligible symbol, because if you do type in Euro USD, for example, there are a lot of symbols to pick from. However, if you do not have the correct exchange, it won't work. So we need to make sure we have the accurate exchange selected. It says non-tradable symbol. It's because we have the incorrect exchange for this paper trading competition selected. So we must type in Oanda, Euro USD, and then select. And now check it out. Our order panel is live. It's ready. It's active to go. And interestingly enough, we sort of see another similar downtrend occurring here. And while maybe this isn't the greatest risk management principle to have multiple short positions on at once, we are once again going to place another short position here. And our stop loss is going to be the top of this trend line, and perhaps our take profit target will be, let's say, these lows. Let's say we think it's going to have a double bottom, so we're just going to play for this double bottom. So one other aspect to keep in mind about this competition is ensuring that you are fully aware of some other constraints and limits that all traders must adhere to in the competition. First of all, your account balance is the same for everyone, 250,000. So everyone has the exact same account balance. In addition, you must always keep that in mind while you place your trades, because, for example, if we were to short 50,000 units, well, that's not even enough. So let's just short, over 1 million units, for example. Well, or let's see if we can do 500,000. And actually, it seems to already be doing the calculation for us, which is excellent. The point being is that you can't place trades that exceed your account balance. So you want to pay close attention to your order info at the bottom of the trading panel, this trading panel, to know exactly what your limits are for each trade. In addition, this has 108,000. So let's go ahead and try to market order sell this. What you'll notice is that the trade has been rejected. That's because there are other rules related to this competition about how much you can risk on each trade. So you can see here, exceeding the allowed position size for the competition. That's right, you have to use some risk management to really succeed in this competition. You cannot just bet it all on one single trade. You have to show some sort of process or strategy that would sort of make sense in the confines of risk management and trading strategies. So in this case, we're going to sell short another 5,000. We're going to click sell, and now, as you can see, the order is executed, and we can track our trades right here in real time. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the basics of the paper trading competition. Now, a few other key things to keep in mind is that you're going to want to go ahead and bookmark the leap and the landing page for the leap, because you will have a countdown that explains to you when the competition begins, or in this case, when it ends. So after you've joined the contest, after you've started placing your trades, be sure to bookmark this page so you always know when the competition is on the verge of ending. In this example, we have 38 minutes to go. In addition, on this homepage, after you've joined, you will see a leaderboard. There will be live calculations appearing as well. And you can learn more about the competition by reading this text here to understand that even though first place gets 10,000, well, second place gets 5,000, third place gets 3,000, second place gets 2,000, and third place gets 3,000, fourth place gets 2,000, and fifth place gets 1,000. So there is a chance for the top 5 people to win cash. It gets better because, listen closely, if you manage to have a profitable trading account during this contest, we will give you a free month of TradingView. That's right. If you have a profitable account, right now we are profitable, we have the chance to get a free month of TradingView. Of course, we still have a long ways to go in this competition, so we're going to want to monitor our account, close out positions, manage our risk, but that is another thing to strive for. While you may not get the top 5, these cash prizes, just by being profitable, you have a chance to get a free month. And ladies and gentlemen, before we head out of here, we do want to remind you of a few other key things, which is that in the Help Center, you can learn a lot more about this competition, a lot more about our paper trading tool, and we have tutorials, walkthroughs, guides, all about TradingView, all about using our charts, and all about paper trading on TradingView. So if you need help getting started and placing trades, seeing your positions, understanding how the paper trading panel works, well, go check out our YouTube channel or our Help Center for more in-depth explainers. Now, lastly, what we are going to do here is we're going to log out of our competition account because there is one final thing that we do want to remind you of. And that final thing is that you will want to ensure that if you have any friends out there who you think have a chance at winning the 10,000, go ahead and let them know about this competition because it gives you all a chance to compete with one another, to learn something new, to test your strategies, and so much more. And as you can see, just because we logged out, it does not necessarily mean that the competition account is suddenly gone. Look how quickly we can connect back in, and all of our orders are still right here before us. So you also do not have to get concerned about losing your trades because you can log in and out just as we were showing you. Thanks for watching this video. We look forward to seeing how everyone does. We look forward to seeing all of the people that join the competition. And if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Write them in the comments below. Reach out to our team. Check out our Help Center and YouTube page for more video tutorials. Thanks for watching.